Replacing the motor and boost pump. Switch off the unit by pressing the on-off button. Close the feed water valve. Disconnect the unit from the mains electrical supply. Open the unit doors. Unscrew the top cover and open it. Take a bucket or a basin and some absorbent paper. Take a 8mm pipe spanner and/or an 8mm ratchet wrench and about 1.5 metre of electrical wire and a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the LC123. Remove the screws and then take off the motor cover plate. Disconnect the electric connector from the boost pump. Prepare it by attaching a length of cable around it. Cut the retaining clip of the motor electric cable. Disconnect the grey connectors from the main electronic board. Push the motor cables downwards until they are as close as possible to the motor. Detach the motor pump by unscrewing the clamp. Remove the screws from the rubber mounting retaining clips. Remove the motor and disconnect the cable guide. Insert the new motor. Refit the screws onto the silent block motor retaining clips. Pass through the electrical cable for the new motor using the cable guide. Detach the cable guide. Reconnect the grey connectors to the main PCB. Reconnect the electrical connector of the feed pump. Disconnect the feed pipe and the pump outlet and direct them into a basin. Install the new pump and then reconnect the feed and the pump outlet pipes. Reconnect the pump to the motor, but do not over-tighten it. Reinsert the LC175 or the LA727. Switch on the unit. Open the feed water supply. Switch on the power switch and then press on the process button. Ensure that the pump can't move from its motor clamp during startup. If it does move, then tighten the screws on the clamp. Press on the production button to cut off the power supply to the unit. Switch off the unit by pressing the on-off power switch. Remove the LC175 or the LA727. Put back the motor cover plate. Put back the LC175 or the LA727. Refit the screws onto the top cover and close the doors. Switch on the unit by pressing the on-off power switch. Press on the process button.